everybody, and welcome back to Illy's Beauty Box. My name is Iliana. If you're new, hello and welcome. If you're not part of that little family, all you have to do is hit that little subscribe button down at the bottom. Make sure you hit that little bell so you can get a little notification. So today's little video is of course inspired by, let's see if you did you guess it? Let's see. Ew. Yes, it is inspired by the beautiful Cardi B. She dropped out her album last week and I fell in love with the cover. That yellow wig inspired me to do this yellow eye makeup tutorial on my eyes, and I think I nailed the lipstick. I'm not sure. If Cardi B ever watches this video, please share with me what lipstick you're wearing, because this girl needs to know, because I had to make my own little concoction with my Anastasia lip palette, and I must have done like 3 takes. If you watch the video at the end, you're gonna see me wiping off, doing the next color, and I think I finally got it. So toodles, I actually feel proud for that one. Anyhow, without further ado, let's get into this makeup tutorial. Ow. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo Pencil along with a brush, the Real Techniques brush, and I'm also going to set that with my translucent powder. So we're going to take that first eyeshadow right on the left side, the very first top one, and I am carefully taking my Wet n Wild brush, and we're carefully packing this color. We're just depositing it straight onto the crease, the whole entire eyelid. I had every intentions of doing this as a live on tutorial, but quite frankly it wasn't working for me, so this has to be a voiceover. So we're gonna keep building this yellow color carefully, slowly, without blending. We're just packing. When working with pastels colors, you have to literally just pack until you like how bright it is. That's when you stop. I'm kind of like just going back and forth with it. The next shadow that I'm going to go in with is going to be the 4th one down here. So from here to here, I'm going to place that right on the crease. Just clean it up just a little bit to kind of give it shape. And then with that dark yellow, I kind of want to put it like on the crease, kind of giving it, so this yellow right here. I'm going to place this optional. It's really on you if you want to or not. But I'm going to go in with my Pat McGrath, the Balm Side. And I'm going to put that on my finger and just put that on the center of my eyelid. And then in that part, I'm going to put the Trophy Wife by the Kilowatt by Rihanna. I'm going to grab my 242 brush by MAC. And I'm carefully placing that where I put that balm. Then I'm going to go back in with that dark yellow and just carefully make sure that it's showing like here. And then I'm going to go in with a bigger, fluffier brush and try to see if I could blend out those edges. Add my lashes. The lashes that I will be using are from Flutter Lashes and they're called Intoxicating. So I'm going to do that off camera and I'm going to be right back. Alright, so I have my lashes on and I decided that I'm not going to do a full-blown tutorial. I'm only showing you my eyes. So I'm going to be off camera putting on my foundation and I'm gonna be bronzing my face and everything. So if you guys are curious and seeing what products I use, just open up that description bar down at the bottom and I'll have all those items listed for you guys. So yeah, I'll be right back in a minute. All right, so now I'm gonna add, all right, so now I'm gonna put a little bit underneath the eyes. I don't know if I need to put the white primer underneath my eyes. I'm gonna try to see if it works without it. Otherwise, I fucked up the whole thing. So I'm gonna go in with that first yellow shade. So I noticed that in the cover, Cardi has like a burgundy type of purple lipstick, so I don't know how I'm going to do my lips. So I'm gonna start off with Night Moth just to outline the outside of my lips. Alright, then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia lip palette, and I'm gonna like kind of make a little concoction. I'll probably grab that purpley color here along with this one here and make another color, just purple color, and then I'm gonna ump it up later with something else, so you guys are gonna watch that. And I am going to apply that now on my lips. So I left the middle open, and I'm gonna grab a little bit of the red. I'm gonna go in with this red shade from my palette, and I'm gonna pop that right in the middle to set the lipstick. And just to keep that dark shade going on the edges, I'm gonna go in with purple. I'm gonna clean up with concealer at the end, at the bottom. I'm gonna do that off camera, so I don't know if I should do some highlight, so I'm thinking about adding highlight, not sure yet. I'm gonna fix my hair, come back on camera, and give you the final look. So yeah, take care, bye. Take two. So we're gonna go back in with a different lip color because my daughter didn't end up liking that one there. And to create that lip color, I actually ended up using number 5, 9, and then I put a little bit of the black, and then I added a little bit of the red. So I ended up using 4 shades just to create that purpley dark one. So my daughter's saying that it's more like this purple color, the plain one, which I think it's number 9. The number sheet is upside down and it's flipped over, so I apologize if I did put the wrong one, but I will be listing it down at the bottom if you're a little... Alright, so of course I created another concoction, and I am setting it with the eyeshadow palette from the Coastal Scents, and I'm using different purples just to make it pop a little bit more. And honestly, my daughter said, nope, got it wrong, so I had to go back to the drawing board. I'm gonna clean it up at the bottom. This is the closest I'm gonna get. I took this with this, mixed them, kind of got that. I don't know what she got. Maybe she can hit me up and tell me that lip color. But we got different skin tones, so it's gonna always look different on me than it looks on her. Of course, she's rocking it better than me. I think I'm gonna go in with the red. I'm gonna put a little bit of the lip gloss. I'll probably put the Fenty Beauty lip gloss on top, and I'll be right back. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I love you guys so much. Take care. I love you. Bye.